Over the Labor Day long weekend, here in Melbourne, Victoria, the biennial Newport Railway Workshops Open Days are back on again, and here is all the information that you need to know about this unmissable event.
In 2026, the historic Newport Railway Workshops will be a hive of activity with everything railways, both big and small. This year we'll see over 50 steam and diesel locomotives over two sites, being the Newport Railway Workshops and the Newport Railway Museum. With locomotives and displays from Steamrail, 707 operations, DermPav, Victorian Goldfields Railway, Mornington Railway, Yarra Valley Railway, Daylesford Railway, Walhalla Goldfields Railway, Bellarine Tramway Museum, Moorabbin Air Museum, Diamond Valley Miniature Railway, and for the first time, narrow gauge locomotive Klondike from the Bellarine Railway, which will be in steam. This is a fantastic opportunity to witness these grand locomotives up close and personal and get to see behind the scenes of the iconic trains of yesteryear. There'll also be the vintage electric Tate and Hitachi trains to see how we once commuted around Melbourne. There'll be model railways with the Sunbury Model Railway Club with their layout of Sunbury and the Amara Victoria layout with their layout of Maryborough, both on display inside the workshops, as well as retailers like Get the Met, Train World and Paul's 3D with all your model railway needs. As well as all the sounds and sights of this wonderful event, there'll also be guided tours of the workshops and the clock tower, vintage machinery, former military vehicles, historical cars and buses, face painting and live music. There'll also be refreshments in Club Car Moorabbin and a sausage sizzle at DermPav, and food trucks. As a bonus, the ticket to the open day also gets you entry into the Newport Railway Museum, which is located a 5-minute walk down the road, where you can explore their historical railway collection, including Victoria's biggest locomotive, H220, Heavy Harry, and many of their other interesting railway artefacts. Now getting there is super easy, with frequent metro train services from the Melbourne CBD to Newport Railway Station, where you can also catch a free vintage bus right to the gate. And there's also limited free parking on Champion Road. Tickets are now available on the Steamrail website to streamline entry into the event and avoid potential long queues, and are priced at $35 for adults, $15 for persons under 17, and $86 for a family with children under 3 free. As well as that, tickets will be available on the gate, with the workshops being open from 10 AM to 5 PM on all 3 days. If you have any questions or queries, please reach out to Steamrail via their social media or email.
The next one's not until 2028, so we're looking forward to seeing you all at what is set to be another fantastic Newport Railway Workshops Open Day. Hooroo!